Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 11. Making negative comments on food.
George, how is your chicken?
My chicken tastes alright, but it is pretty dry. How is your fish?
My fish is pretty dry too.
It's almost as if this food has been sitting a little too long. It doesn't seem fresh.
Yes, it seems that way to me also.
How are your vegetables?
My vegetables are very soggy.
Mine are the same way. It seems like they've been overcooked.
I don't usually complain, but I think that we should mention this to the waiter.
I agree. Maybe they can bring us some better food.
David, is your chicken okay?
It tastes great, but it is really dry. Is your fish alright?
My fish is very dry.
I wonder if they left it sitting around too long before they served it.
That's exactly what I was thinking had happened.
Are your vegetables okay?
The vegetables are kind of mushy.
So are mine. I think they left them cooking too long.
The food here is usually good, so I think that we should tell the waiter that there is a problem.
I think that you are right. Maybe they can give us a free dessert or something.
Does your chicken taste all right?
The chicken tastes wonderful, but it is kind of dry. Is your fish okay?
My fish has good seasoning but is a little dry.
It seems as if they got busy and left it sitting before it got to us.
Yes, maybe they are short-handed in the kitchen tonight.
Are your vegetables a little mushy?
The vegetables seem to not be very fresh.
Mine aren't so good, either.
I usually enjoy the meals here, so I think that we should tell the waiter that there is something wrong with this meal.
I think that we should let someone know. They will probably want to fix the problem. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.